Lengxelo sivayo into yobana i-top management ye-Eskom ibiziwe yi-ANC caucus into yobana mayizo-accounta ngendaba ye-load shedding yi-problem kakhulu kuthi leyo. Ngoba kaloku kukhona i-separation between i-officials ze-SOE ne-politicians.
We trust that this kind of briefing did not take place, and if there is need for Eskom to do a briefing of parliamentarians, then contact should be made with the head of committees so that all political parties can have representation in the Public Enterprises Committee.
SCDP understands that the Eskom board may have been summoned to account to the ANC parliamentary caucus. We would be extremely concerned if this did happen or if it is planned, as Eskom is constitutionally accountable to Parliament.
We are all aware of some of the confessions made in the Zondo Commission by some of the officials of state-owned entities, including Eskom, implicated in corruption, looting and maladministration, that they've been attending ANC caucuses and meetings, and it was expected.
We will make sure that we hold the ANC to account for this and make sure that we get a proper explanation as a party that is represented in Parliament.